Welcome to Lana English Channel. Hey everyone. Welcome back to Lana English Podcast.
Hello. We are so happy to have you here again.
Seriously, we are proud of you. Yes, you. Because you are learning English and you are staying consistent.
And that is not easy. Most people quit, but you're still here. That's powerful.
Exactly. So today, before we start, if you are new here,
Yes, you, the one just watching silently.
don't be shy. Hit that subscribe button.
Come on, it's free. No money, $0, just click. Click now, we'll wait. Okay, did you do it? We believe in you. You did it.
All right, let's jump into today's episode. In today's episode, you will learn how to speak English fluently.
Not in one day, not in magic way, but in a real way.
We will share simple daily tips
Easy habits.
and a real conversation.
Yes, between Emmy and Rob.
Then we will repeat it slowly, clearly, 2 or 3 times.
So you can understand everything.
Okay, Jack, let's start simple. What is fluency?
Good question. Fluency is not perfect English.
Yes, very important.
Fluency means you can speak smoothly,
Even if you make small mistakes.
even if your grammar is not perfect.
Fluency is about confidence.
Flow, natural speaking.
Part 2, English tips for new learners. First tip, speak every day.
Every day. Not sometimes. Not tomorrow. Today.
Even 5 minutes is okay.
Talk to yourself.
Yes, sounds funny, but it works.
Example, I am making tea. I am walking. I am tired.
Simple, easy, daily.
Second tip, don't be afraid.
Fear is your enemy.
You think, I will make mistakes.
Good, make mistakes.
Mistakes equals learning.
No mistakes, no progress. Third tip, listen.
Podcasts, videos, movies.
Like this podcast.
Yes, exactly. Tip 4, repeat.
Repetition is magic.
Say sentences again and again.
Your brain learns faster.
Part 3. Simple Conversation. Emmy and Rob. Now let's listen to a simple conversation.
Very simple. Daily English.
Hi, Rob. How are you?
Hi, Emmy. I'm good. And you?
I'm fine. What are you doing?
I'm drinking coffee. And you?
I'm studying English.
Oh, nice. Every day?
Yes, every day. I want to improve.
That's great. Keep going.
Thank you.
Part 4, repeat and explain. Sentence 1. Hi, Rob. How are you? Hi, Rob. How are you? Hi, Rob. How are you? Hi, Rob. How are you?
This is greeting. Very common. Sentence 2. I'm good. And you? I'm good. And you? I'm good. And you?
Short answer. Friendly. Sentence 3. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
We use this for now. Present moment. Sentence 4. I'm drinking coffee. I'm drinking coffee. I'm drinking coffee.
Action happening now. Sentence 5. I'm studying English. I'm studying English. I'm studying English.
Very useful sentence for you. Sentence 6. That's great. Keep going. That's great. Keep going. That's great. Keep going.
Encouragement. Very positive.
Part 5. Real talk.
Jack, let's be honest.
Always.
Most people want fast results.
Yes, but that's unrealistic.
Fluency takes time.
But daily effort makes it faster.
Fire. Part 6, Daily Practice Plan. Let's give them a simple plan.
Okay.
Day plan. Listen 10 minutes, speak 5 minutes, repeat sentences, learn 5 words.
Simple, not complicated. If you don't practice.
Your English will sleep.
Yes, sleeping English.
Wake it up. Practice.
Reminder, don't forget to listen to previous episodes.
Yes, they help you a lot.
Final words. You are doing great.
Really, you are improving.
Keep going.
Small steps, big results.
Outro music fades in. See you next time.
Bye-bye.